નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7 subject English grammar lesson number 8 the present tense. As you know students, in our previous video we studied about the tense structure and simple present tense. Now today in this video we have to see remaining tenses. Second tense of lesson number 8 is the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense structure is am are plus V1 ing, as you know very well. But where we have to use present continuous tense we have to learn here. So first of all I read here. The present continuous tense indicates that the action is taking place in the present and has not been completed yet. Now what is the meaning of that sentence? We have to understand about it. Present continuous tense indicates the action is taking place. While you are talking, at that time some action will be running. Action is running. We can say that it's a continuous. At our moment while we are speaking, at that time some action is continue. We can use present continuous tense at that time. If action is completed or not completed, most of time while you are talking, seeing anything continue, at that time action is not completed. Action is not completed and has not been completed yet. Action will be running. To be running continue at your eyes moment. When you see, at that time action is running. Action not completed. At that time we have to use present continuous tense. अगर आप बोल रहे हैं और सामने कोई एक्शन चल रही है, उसे दिखाने के लिए we have to use present continuous tense. Can you understand, student? Example is given here. You have to see. I am eating mango. Here I use helping verb am and V1 ing form eating. Eat is a V1 form and I use here V1 ing form eating. So here I use present continuous tense. See, here present continuous tense sentence is that. How you can identify that it's a present continuous tense? First of all, see the helping verb, then verb. Helping verb am is given here and V1 ing form is there. So just you have to think about that. Helping verb am plus V1 ing means present continuous tense. So we can identify the sentence. Here I write I am eating mango. It's a one type of assertive positive sentence. How we convert it into negative form? Just we have to understand here. So first of all, to making any sentence negative, just you require helping verb. First of all, see, sentence have any helping verb? Yes, answer become yes because here helping verb am is already exists. So we don't require to import other helping verb here. In our simple present tense, we have to import do or does because there were no helping verb in our sentence. But here we have helping verb am. So with that am, we have to make negative sentence like that. First of all, you have to write subject I, then helping verb you have to write am. Then we have to add in not after helping verb. Not after helping verb, before main verb we have to add not. Then remaining things we have to write as required. Mango. So here our sentence become I am not eating mango. Or you can write short form of am not, but you must be know very well. Okay, then you write. Otherwise write differently. It's a become a sentence like that. It's known as a assertive negative sentence. It's become a assertive negative sentence.
Now, if we want to make an interrogative sentence, from that sentence, how we make? First of all the things we require like that. First of all, see, helping verb is there. Yes, helping verb is there. So we require helping verb. So we have to interchange helping verb and subject to make interrogative sentence. Here, I we have to put here and am we have to take first. So it's a become a interrogative sentence like that. Like that. Am we have to write first. Am. Then subject we have to write. Then helping main verb we have to write. It's a become a interrogative sentence. It's a become a interrogative sentence. It's known as a interrogative positive sentence. Positive sentence. Can you understand, student? We have to interchange subject and helping verb to make an interrogative sentence. All the tenses have the same rules to make an interrogative sentence. Here I am doing in present continuous tense, but in all the tenses we can do interrogative sentence like that formula. First we have to put helping verb, then after subject we have to interchange helping verb and subject. Okay? Now interrogative positive sentence completed. Now we have to make interrogative negative sentence. How we form? We have to add here not to make an interrogative negative sentence. Where we have to put here? Like that we can write, am I not eating mango? It's a interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative negative sentence. Am, are we have to add not after subject and main verb. Not. So it's a become a interrogative negative. We can use also short form. We can use also short form. Here it is known as a without a contradiction, and with contraction we have to do. Now without contraction is given here. It's known as a without contraction as we learn in our 6th standard. Now we can do with contraction. Aren't I eating mango? Both sentence is known as a interrogative negative. Can you understand, student? Am not short form is aren't. Keep in mind, aren't I eating mango? So this sentence is known as a without contraction. This sentence is known as a with contraction. As we learn in our 6th standard. Keep in mind. So here our present continuous tense O. Now we have to see next tense, present perfect tense. Next tense, tense number 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, we have to understand about it. In previous screen, we studied about present continuous tense. Now we have to understand about present perfect tense. Where present perfect tense is used, we have to understand first of all. The present perfect tense indicates that the action has already taken place and has been completed. Present perfect tense is using to describe the action which is just completed while we are speaking. हम जब बोल रहे हैं अभी उसके पहले थोड़ी देर में एक्शन ओवर हो गई है. That type of sentence is described by the present perfect tense. See here, one line I draw is here our present time. That text from here to here it's known as a past time. From here to here it's known as a future time. So we are here at present time. But while action started in the past and just completed before we are talking. So this near about present tense, some action completed. That type of action is described by present perfect tense. Can you understand, student, what I say? As we learn in our 6th standard also about it. Present perfect tense is used to talking about that things that just happen before present tense. अभी आप बोल रहे हैं उसके पहले ही कुछ हो गया हो. It's known as a present perfect tense. Can you understand, student? Where we have to use? Now, example is given here. See, I have eaten mango. Miss what? Can you understand meaning of that sentence? I have eaten mango. जब मैं बोल रहा हूं उसके पहले ही मैंने अभी मैंगो खाना खत्म कर लिया हूं. मैंने अभी मैंगो खा ली, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. So it's described by the present perfect tense. Can you understand? I have eaten mango. It's a one type of assertive positive sentence. If we want to make negative sentence, how we make? To making negative sentence, first rule is that see, any helping verb is there in that sentence? Yes, helping verb have is given here. So we don't require any other helping verb here. Just we have to put not after helping verb and before main verb. What happened now? It's become like that. I have not eaten mango. It's become a assertive negative sentence. Can you understand then? I have not. I add here not to make a negative sentence. Now, like that, we have to make interrogative sentence. How we make interrogative sentence here? Just we require first of all helping verb, and helping verb is already in the sentence. So now what's happened? We have to interchange helping verb and subject to make interrogative sentence. So first of all, we have to write helping verb have, then we have to write subject I, then main verb eaten mango, question mark sign we have to put compulsory, otherwise sentence will be wrong. So it's a become an interrogative positive sentence. Now we have to make interrogative negative sentence. So we have to add here not. Not we can add by two ways, with contraction and without contraction. First of all, I do without contraction. So it's a become like that. Have I not eaten mango? With contraction, how it happen? With contraction, we can write like that. Haven't I eaten mango? Both sentences become a interrogative negative. Interrogative negative sentence. Can you understand, student? You cannot write here have not differently. Otherwise your sentence will be wrong. You have to use, in contraction you have to use only the short form of helping verb plus not. You cannot write like that, have not I eaten mango. It's totally wrong. You have to, in contraction you have to use only, compulsory you have to use short form of helping verb plus not. Can you understand then? Here our present perfect tense over. Understand about it? Our last tense of lesson number 8, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. As we learn, second number present continuous tense and third number present perfect tense, both tense combination is known as a present perfect continuous tense. Here we have to use present perfect tense and present continuous tense, both in a combination form. It is known as a present perfect continuous tense. But where present perfect continuous tense is using? Just we have to see. The present perfect continuous tense indicates that the action has been taking place for some time and is still going on. In simple language, we can say that action started in near about past, and while you are talking, at that time action will be running. It is known as a present perfect continuous tense. समझ में आया? नहीं समझे? जस्ट लिसन की। जब कोई एक्शन यहाँ पास्ट में स्टार्ट होती है, यहाँ कोई एक्शन स्टार्ट होती है, और टू बी कंटिन्यू नियर अबाउट पास्ट, नॉट फार अबाउट, नजदीकी पास्ट में कोई एक्शन स्टार्ट होती है, और व्हाइल यू आर टॉकिंग एट दैट टाइम एक्शन इज रनिंग, तो आप जब बोल रहे हो तभी वो एक्शन कंटिन्यू है। पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुई थी और आप बोल रहे हैं तभी वो एक्शन स्टार्ट है, कंटिन्यू। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्शन वी हैव टू शो बाय द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। सो हियर वन सेंटेंस इज गिवन, आई हैव बीन ईटिंग मैंगो, मींस मैंने पास्ट में मैंगो खाने की शुरुआत की थी और अभी मैं बोल रहा हूं तभी मैंगो खा रहा हूं। सो माय एक्शन इज कंटिन्यू बट इट इज स्टार्टेड इन नियर अबाउट पास्ट। थोड़ी देर पहले, मैंने 5 मिनट पहले मैंगो खाने की शुरुआत की और अभी मैं बोल रहा हूं तभी मैं मैंगो खा रहा हूं। लाइक दैट एक्शन वी हैव टू शो बाय द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस। कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, वेरी गुड। नाउ example is given here, I have been eating mango. It's a one type of assertive positive sentence. How we convert it into assertive negative sentence we have to understand about. Like other sentences, other tenses we learn about it, that we have to require here helping verb. If sentence have helping verb, then don't problem. Then don't have any problem. So here have is helping verb here. So we have to put only not after helping verb. Okay, just see here, don't make any mistake. Just I, then we have to write helping verb have, then we have to put not. After that, all the words we have to put. Being we have to put here. Eating mango. Now it's become a assertive negative sentence. Assertive negative. Can you understand, student, how it's become? Just see, observe it and see. If you put not after being, then your sentence will be wrong. You have to put not after the helping verb. After the not, you have to put being and eating. Don't write not here, otherwise your sentence will be wrong. Can you understand, student, what I say? Now we have to form interrogative sentence. Interrogative positive. How we form? Just other tenses rules like that. We have to interchange helping verb and subject, and that is become an interrogative sentence. So what we have to write first? Have. Just have. Then I been eating. Don't drop any word from that sentence. Okay. So you have to write all the words. Have I been eating mango? Interrogative sign. It's a become a assertive. Sorry, not assertive. We make interrogative. So just we have to write here interrogative. What we have to write here? Interrogative. Positive sentence. Positive sentence. Now, if we want to make a interrogative negative sentence, then how it is happen? Just like that. In two ways we can write interrogative negative, with contraction and without contraction. First of all, I write without contraction. So, what's happened now? Have, I, then we have to put not here, then we have to write remaining word, being, eating, mango. It's a one type, it's a known without contraction. If you want to write with contraction, then what's happened? Just see, we have to use the helping verb plus not short form here. So what's happened now? Haven't I been eating mango? Question mark sign. Both sentences is not as a interrogative, negative. Just keep in mind, you don't have to drop been. Been you have to write as usual places. Don't drop been in any sentence. Been must be required, otherwise tense will be changed. Okay? Can you understand? Done. Both sentences is known as a interrogative negative sentence, but first sentence is without contraction and second is with contraction. Can you understand? Done. Here our present perfect continuous tense over, and our lesson number 8 speaking point also over here. Now we have to do exercise in our next video. Thank you for joining us.